Now we will discuss in this video the most popular candlestick pattern. The question which people ask about the following most popular candlestick pattern. The question are which is the best bullish candlestick pattern. So we will discuss it, which is the most popular bullish candlestick pattern. So the question asked is what which is the best bullish candlestick pattern? The bullish engulfing pattern is a two candle reversal pattern. The second candle completely engulfs the real body of the first one without regarding to the length of the tails or shadow. It means that we will not consider the shadow of the candle, we will just consider the body of the candle. If the body of the last candle that you are considering eaten up or hides the body of the previous two candle, then the candle which you are observing is called the engulfing. If it's a bullish candle, then it will be called bullish engulfing, and if it is a bearish candle, then it will called a bearish engulfing candle. The bullish engulfing pattern appear in downward, and similarly the bearish engulfing pattern appears in upward. And bullish engulfing is a combination of one dark candle followed by a large hollow candle, and the bearish engulfing candle is a combination of one hollow candle followed by a large dark candle. The other question we people ask is how many types of candlesticks pattern are there? So we will answer this question. 16 candlestick. Every trader should know. What are these 16 candlestick patterns? We will discuss them one by one. So the first candle is the bullish engulfing, the other one bearish engulfing. The other question which people ask here is that what should I look for in a candlestick chart? Number one, the body which represent the open to close range, the wick or shadow that indicates the intraday high and low. The body which represent the open to close range, the wick or shadow that indicates the intraday high and low. The third thing, the color which reveals the direction of market movement. A green or white body indicates a price increase, while a red or black body shows a price decrease. It means a white or green candle is a bullish candle and a black or red candle is a bearish candle. The other question which is asked by people, which is the best time frame for candlesticks? Most candlestick patterns form over 1 to 3 days, which makes them short term patterns that are valid for 1 to 2 weeks. The hammer and shooting star require just 1 day. Engulfing pattern, piercing pattern, and dark cloud cover pattern require 2 days. The other question which is asked by people here is that which is the most bullish pattern? What is the most bullish pattern? Double bottom. This is by far the most popular type of bullish reversal pattern and is one of the most favorite reversal pattern. It's my most favorite reversal pattern to trade when used with divergence. The double bottom forms when the market is finding it difficult to make a significantly lower low and is a sign that the bulls are taking over. The other question which is asked by people is that how can you tell a bullish trend? How can you tell a bullish trend? The answer to that question is that we can tell a bullish trend when we find a specific signal like doji or the hammer at the bottom of the chart. The other question is that what is a black candlestick? A black candlestick indicates that the close was higher than the prior close. In short, candlesticks are black when the close is up and red when the close is down. Separately, a candlestick is hollow when the close is above the open and filled when the close is below the open. The other question here is that what is bullish pattern? What is bullish pattern? A bullish flag pattern occur when a stock is in a strong uptrend. Stock is in a strong uptrend and resembles a flag with two main components. The two main components, the pole and the flag. This pattern is a bullish continuation pattern. Typically, traders would buy the stock after it breaks above the short term downtrend or flag. The other question, what is the best stock chart pattern? The answer to that question is that the cup and handle is a well known continuation stock chart pattern that signals a bullish market trend. It is the same as the above rounding bottom but features a handle after the rounding bottom. The handle resembles a flag or pennant, and once completed, you can see the market breakout in a bullish upward trend. In a bullish upward trend. The next question asked by people is that what does a doji candle means? A doji candle mean the people make a blunder or mistake. A doji candlestick forms when a securities open and close are virtually equal for the given time period and generally signals a reversal pattern. For technical analysts, in Japanese, doji means blunder or mistake, referring to the rarity of having the open and close price be exactly the same. And the next question here is that what does a doji candle means? Simply answer we have discussed before, blunder or mistake. And the other question is a hammer bullish or bearish. The hammer candlestick is a bullish trading pattern which may indicate that a stock has reached its bottom and is positioned for trend reversal. The other question, what is bearish pattern? A bearish engulfing pattern is a technical chart pattern that signals a low price to come. The pattern can be important because it shows sellers have overtaken the buyers and are pushing the price more aggressively down than the buyers were able to push it up. The other question here is that what chart do day traders use? A day trader could trade off the 15-minute chart, 60-minute charts to define the primary trend and a 5-minute chart or even a tick chart to define the short-term trend. Which chart is the best for trading? Candlestick chart shows the open close, high and low prices during the trading time. Candlestick charts can be used to make decisions based on the trends. These charts are best used for short-term analysis. Renko chart is an example of a candlestick chart. The other question asked by people is that which type of candles mostly occur in the chart? Every type of candle occur in the chart. Some of the candles have been given specific name and some of the candles have not given any name. So here is other question. What is bullish Harami pattern? We will answer this question. A bullish Harami is the basic candlestick chart pattern indicating that a bearish trend in an assets or markets may be reversing. The other question here asked by people, what does a white candlestick mean? What is a white candlestick. A white candlestick depicts a period where the securities price has closed at a higher level than where it had opened. It is a point on a security candlestick chart representing a bullish period. So the other question asked by people, what does an empty candlestick means? A typical candlestick chart is composed of a series of bars known as candles which vary in height and color. The color of each candle depends upon the price action of the security for the given day. An unfilled candle shown on the left is created when the opening price is lower than the security closing price. The other question asked by the people is that how do you use the bullish engulfing pattern? Wrapping things up. Number one, to be a valid signal, the range of the bullish engulfing candle must completely engulf the previous candle's range. Number two, the pattern is a great way to identify a potential bottom in the market. Number three, only bullish engulfing bars that form on the daily time frame on higher should be considered. The other thing which people ask is that how do you predict if a stock will go up or down? There are 2 to 3 methods which predict stock price. Number one, intrinsic value estimation of a stock is a skill. Number two, this is a second method which is beginner can use to predict if a stock will go up and down. Number three, estimate of future. The number four, estimate of future after 3 years from today. The other question which people ask here is that what is a uptrend? An uptrend describes the price movement of financial assets when the overall direction is upward. In an upward trend, each successive peak and trough is higher than the one found earlier in trend. So it's the answer to the question, what does empty candle mean? Empty candle. A typical candlestick chart is composed of series of bars known as candles which vary in height and color. The color of each candle depends upon the price action of the security for the given day. An unlifted candle shown on the left is created when the opening price is lower than the security closing price.